Making one faceless video can mean 5 subscriptions, an editing timeline, and hours of assembly every single upload. There's a faster way, and it's this episode.
And ask it to give you an image prompt to generate an image in Leonardo AI. Now copy this image prompt and head over to Leonardo AI. This is the best text-to-image AI software, and it has all the features we need. Click
I'm just building up our scene. Once we got the first prompt back, I copied it over to Higgsfield and pressed generate. And after 30 seconds, we had the image back. So this is how the dog salon is going to look. Higgsfield did a great job at generating this image based on the image prompt that we gave it. We are going to use this image going forward whenever we create an image within our...
And you'll be amazed. Today, I'm going to reveal a secret trick that will blow your mind. Now go to Pixverse AI. Create a free account, and head over to this page, click on the image to video and upload your image, and set the duration to 10 seconds. Click on Create button, and we get our animated video in just...
That's 2 tools just for visuals before script, voiceover, or assembly. Now the other route, generators that do the whole job.
Let's see if it actually turns out well. So with that out of the way, I repeated the same process as you saw, generating the images and videos for each phase of the video. It was then time to bring all the generations together using my editor of choice, Premiere Pro. Before continuing though, I did need a voiceover. So I did go to Higgsfield voiceover feature to generate all the voiceovers. After they were
about 2 hours per video plus Premiere skills. It works. But that grind is what stalls most faceless channels early.
CapCut has just released the most insane AI video maker, and it's free for everybody. So if you're thinking about creating some faceless AI content, or you're thinking about starting a brand new YouTube channel, listen up, because it's now easier than ever, and you can do it all for free. So in this video,
but what if I told you there's a way for you to make this same type of content faster, cheaper, and easier than ever before? Because right now, thanks to AI, you can create these same kind of kids animations and songs all using one prompt from one tool, and you can do this right from your phone or laptop in minutes. And I'm about to show you exactly.
One prompt to a monetizable video is the bar now. Here's the tool 2 of these creators point to for exactly that job.
The next level with their brand new AI video maker. And this new AI tool is able to generate scripts, images, AI avatars, clips, subtitles, and even music, all powered by AI. With easy workflows, fast video generation, and effortless creativity, you simply just enter a basic video idea, and it will generate a high-quality, ready-to-publish AI video.
A free all-in-one proves the concept and costs nothing to try. The question is which generator does this best when quality matters. Try InVideo AI free. It's the first link in the description, free to start.
When making videos with AI. But first, it's time for step 1, video creation. Remember those 3 content layers I just mentioned? Script, voiceover, and video? There's one brand new AI tool that knocks all of those down in one go. And the best part is, you'll be amazed at the quality it can produce. It is called InVideo AI. This allows you to enter a prompt and generate a full video within minutes.
Come alive. And no, I am not about to sing it for you, and neither do you have to. But in addition to music, we will also need an animated video. And I'm telling you, this next step is about to blow your mind, because with this one AI tool, you can create both the full kids song using your lyrics and the animated video. And it's all gonna be done from one single prompt. I'm talking about a full-scale production, the kind of thing that looks like it came out of a professional studio done for us in America.
How you can improve the video to make it even better. And there's 2 options to do that, one of which is with the command box right here, which is where you can tell it what to do. For example, change the opening clip to drone shot of the Eiffel Tower. You then click generate, it will actually change that. So this is like ChatGPT for video editing. You tell it what to do and it will actually do that. Now that right there, in my opinion, is revolutionary, as this...
No timeline, no keyframes, you describe the change and it happens. And it's not just talking head briefs. Here's the same engine doing full animation. For faceless channels, InVideo AI wins. One prompt handles script, voiceover, and footage, and you edit by typing. CapCut's free maker suits hobbyists. My pick, try InVideo AI free, first link below. InVideo AI is free to try, so grab the first link in the description and run your next script through it. Then decide if upgrading is worth it.